Hi, Katya here. When it comes to making cocktails, I can almost never remember recipes. I almost always have to look them up. However, there are a few that are favorites among my family and friends that are frequently requested that I have finally learned to make by heart. Manhattan is one of them. It's super easy to make. It's loved by someone in my family. A classic Manhattan is a great recipe to have on hand because now that the weather is becoming warm and we can finally start grilling steaks outside, you can make yourself a nice steak and a nice Manhattan and pretend that you are in a fancy steakhouse. So this is the vibe we are going for today. A Manhattan is usually made with either rye whiskey or bourbon. I have bourbon today. We need 2 ounces of bourbon, 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. It's all about the balance. 1 dash of bitters, and I have orange bitters over here. Now we're going to put some ice in our shaker and give it a stir. Don't even need to shake it. Just a nice stir to chill it down. Now I have a nice martini glass that I froze in a freezer for a few minutes. This is gonna make it taste even better. And we're going to strain our Manhattan in the frozen glass. This looks so elegant. Now for the final but very important touch, a Manhattan needs to have a cherry garnish on. It has to be a Luxardo cherry. And what I happen to have here, this very fancy bourbon soaked cherries. That seems like the perfect garnish. In goes the cherry, and here's our Manhattan. Now I just need to go grill some steak. Cheers.